It's a certified 2013 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The legacy of the premium SUV started with the M-Class. It's the perfect marriage of German engineering and American sensibilities. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,